Now, the subject that we're going to talk about right now is how to create a custom audience for your ad that you've run. Right now, please go to your business menu, business settings menu, click that. Now click your events manager. Now, after you click your events manager, you will be taken to a, a page where you will be able to see the events that you have basically added to your funnel. So as long as you've added the proper pixels in your funnel, you will be able to see that data here. Okay. So any kind of pixels, those could be any kind of pixels, right? So in this case, we added the page view pixel. So this is taking some time to load. Now, once this gets loaded, you will be able to see that data. Now, in this case, I need you to click the details on the right hand side for Leona ad accounts pixel 1.
Mm-hmm.
Now, when you click the details, you just need to select a proper custom, custom time frame. Now, select all available days drop down from right hand side. Now select custom and select the date as we did before. Custom, go back as much as you can and select 15, right? So if you know your dates, you can select the dates if you know them when you ran a certain ad. Now scroll down, right? Now you would see the events drop down. Now please click that events drop down from the right hand side and select URLs.
Mm-hmm.
Now, as soon as you select URL, you will be able to see the exact URLs that on which you installed your pixels. In this case, the URL is leonaprince.milliondollarchallenge.co, right? Now copy this URL and it says 43 people visited this URL, right? Copy this URL, okay? Now click create audience, click custom audience. Now, what exactly we are doing? We are creating a list of people who visited this URL and we are putting them in a segment so that when we create so that we can create a new ad and target these exact people who came on our previous ad, right? Now I need you to select or click that drop down all website visitors.
Yeah.
Now, please select people who visited specific web pages.
Mm-hmm.
Now, copy your URL, that URL that you copied there, paste it. Okay. Now, in this case, what exactly we are doing now, select the number of days as 180 days. So in this case, what exactly you're telling to Facebook? You're telling Facebook that any person who has visited this URL in the last 180 days, I want to basically create a custom audience for all those people. In that case, if it's like, in this case, it's like 43 people. So you are creating a list of 43 people right now, and when you will target this list of people, you will be able to show your ads to these exact people when they log in into their Facebook account. Right now, scroll down and give a name to this. Right, make sure you provide proper names. In this case, I would recommend you to type the date as well. So type today's date there and give it a name as Liam funnel page 1. First type the date so that you know when you created this audience, right?
Mm-hmm.
Liam's funnel page 1, right? See, the most important thing when you're creating custom audiences are giving proper names. I repeat, the most important thing when you're creating custom audiences are giving proper names. Otherwise, you will be confused on what particular custom audience is this for. Okay. So again, I would like to repeat, 43, these 43 people will be when you after you create the custom audience, you will be able to create an ad and show you that remarketing ad to these exact 43 people. These 43 people will be your warm audience, and these 43 people will become like your friends, right? You can also give a description, click add description.
Yeah.
Right? So type a description that is coming to your mind, so that if you get confused, this description would help you, right? Type a quick description here. Liam's funnel page 1, right? Liam's funnel page 1 custom audience, my first custom audience, anything like that, right? Custom audience, right? First ever custom audience. Oh, custom audience. All right. Now click create audience. Now, as soon as you click create audience, your audience was created, right? It may take a few minutes for us to finish matching your customers to people on Facebook. We'll notify you when this process is finished. You can also check the status in audience manager, right? Now, you see, create a lookalike audience, reach people similar to the audience you just created by creating a lookalike audience. Now, we're going to talk about lookalike audience in a bit, right? But before that, you see, as soon as you create the custom audience, Facebook gives you the opportunity to create an ad to advertise to your new audience. Now, if you create an ad here, obviously this ad would be something like, hey, you visited our funnel, you checked out our page, but you didn't, opt in, right? You can basically opt in and check out our funnel. We are giving a discount or whatever, right? You just have to think of the kind of ad that you create, right? Now you can do this for any product, Leona, right? I see that you're also promoting some other products, right? Why not start using this same method, right? Create a landing page, create a thank you page, and start promoting that product using Facebook ads, right?
Okay.
As I mentioned you earlier, when you are using a Facebook profile, the maximum friends you can have on if your Facebook profile is 5,000 friends, right? But when you're using this Facebook Ads Business Manager, the maximum friends you can have is more than 800 million, right? More than 400 million, right?
Yeah.
So and you can reach any person on Facebook as per your desire, right? And then you can create a custom audience with that, right? So basically, when you create the ad, you will be able to create that custom audience. Now I need you to click done. Click done. Okay, now if you want to check the status, you just need to go to your audience manager, right? Now please click events manager. Right now, as manager, now please try clicking audiences there. You see audiences. Click events manager and click audiences menu. Now you see, you will be able to see your audiences. Now please scroll down. Okay, scroll down.
I can't scroll down.
Okay. Okay, basically just go back to the audiences tab. Just click, go back there. Okay, the audiences are below. Can you see the audiences? Okay, just follow that step below. Click the menu again and go to audiences again. Click that same menu and go to audiences again. Click audiences again. So basically, you see, you were able, this is your audience, right? June 1 Liam's funnel, right? custom audience website, it says below 1,000. So as I told you, it should be basically, now what you can do is you can create a lookalike of this audience, right? But basically it's recommended to have a minimum of 200 events in order to get a proper lookalike. But we are still going to talk about how to create the lookalike in the next subject.